If you're new to my channel, please like and also subscribe to my channel. So first of all, remove your keyboard. After removing your keyboard, you make sure you remove the flex carefully. Then you lose the palm rest. You make sure you remove all the nuts in the palm rest. Then after that, you pull the palm rest. You can use any sling sharp object that can remove the palm rest. Then you also check out for nuts in the back. Some most system differs, so you can check out the nut from the back. Then you pull the palm rest. After successfully removing the palm rest, you then check out for board nuts. Then you pull it. Please pay attention to the losing, to the